Good morning, class. My name is Cris Angeles, your science teacher for today. And our topic for today is all about the planets of solar system and their characteristics. Without further ado, let's talk about this. Now I'm here in the PowerPoint and I will going to proceed in our topic. Our topic is all about the planets and solar system and their characteristics. By me, Cris Angeles. Before we start, I have already one question for you. Can you name the 8 planets in our solar system? And this includes Earth. The 8 planets in our solar system is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. Very good. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's a great class. This is our solar system. As you can see, they have their own beauty. They have their own characteristics or physical appearance. Next, the inner planets is the planets that near in our sun. Class, did you know what terrestrial planets means? Please raise your hand. So please the raised hand and our Google class. Yep, correct. Terrestrial because they have the rocky surface. That's nice. Next, the first planet in our solar system, the Mercury. On Mercury, you weigh only 38% of what you weigh on Earth. For example, you have only 48 kilograms in Earth, but if you go to the Mercury or you want to visit in Mercury, you have only, you have only 18 kilograms. And Mercury is fastest orbiting planet. Oh my gosh. Mercury is the nearest to the sun, usually. Mercury, one side of the planet can be 800 degrees Fahrenheit when the other can be 280 degrees Fahrenheit at the same time. Mercury is one of the rocky planets. It has solid surface that it covered with craters like moon, like in our moon. It has a thin atmosphere and it doesn't have any moons in Mercury because Mercury likes to keep things simple. Next, second planet in our solar system is Venus. On Venus, you weigh only 91% of what you weigh on Earth. For example, you have only 48 kilograms. On our example, you have only 48 kilograms in Earth. But if you go to the Venus, you have only 35 or 39 kilograms. Venus has 90 times the pressure of Earth. Venus has volcanoes like Earth, rotates in the opposite direction of Earth. One time, there were oceans before there, but boiled away. Even though Mercury is closer to the sun, but Venus has the hottest surface of any planet in our solar system. That's so insane. Did you know the Mercury is nearest to the sun, but the Venus is so hot planet? Next, the third planet in our solar system is Earth. In Earth, their rotation is 20 hours and 56 minutes. On Earth, the revolution or 1 year in Earth is 365 days. Earth is warm enough to keep most of its water from freezing and cold enough to keep its waters from boiling. That's nice. The temperature is between 13 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. And lastly, the Earth is the only planet in our solar system that can support life. Next, the fourth planet is Mars. air pressure on Mars is the same at 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Mars is in the form of ice. Evidence that water was there on one time. That's great. Volcanic history like Earth. It has the tallest mount of the planet's Olympus. Name Olympus Mount. 3 times size of Mount Everest. Oh my god, that's so tall. Actually, the surface of Mars is so rocky with second volcanoes, dry lake beds, dry lake beds, and red dust. The outer planets, gas planets, are jovial planets. This planet is not rocky surface like other first. Wait, my phone is lagging. The next 4 planets is the outer planets from the sun. The gas planets are jovial planets. This planet is opposite side of the first 4 planets because this planet is a gas planet rather. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the Jupiter, the 6th planet. The 5th planet in our solar system rather. This is our Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has the Great Red Spot from the storm system that is more than 400 years old. It is larger than Earth. That's nice. 9 hours and 57 minutes. 1 day in Jupiter. Oh my god. That's the shortest day. Pressure is so great and it will be crush a spaceship. Oh my god. If you go there, your body is stretched. Actually, Jupiter is the gas giant. Saturn. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in our solar system, 90 times more massive than Earth. Saturn has the largest rings of any planet. The rings are made of icy particles, most moon of any planets. The Saturn have a lot of moon. Uranus, the 7th planet in our solar system. Uranus discovered in 1781. Uranus appears blue-green in color. Uranus at axis of rotation in tilted 90 degrees. Moons are named of Shakespearean plays and form from other broken moons. Oh. And the last planet is Neptune, the coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune, discovered in 1846. Neptune has visual belts of clouds. Interior releases thermal energy to its outer layers. Used to be the 18th planet after Pluto until 1999. Oh, this is our activity. First activity. Materials that you need is gadget like cell phone, laptop, computers, and apps. Actually, Google Classroom and Gmeet. Then, I already prepared 10 numbers of this activity, 5 each in multiple choice and 5 each for true or false. You need to pass this activity in Google Classroom after you finish it. But I give you 30 minutes review. And to those who didn't get the average point, 8 or 10, please give me one of the characteristics of Mercury. Then I give you 2 points. Number 1. Which is the planet nearest to the Sun? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Mercury, D. Saturn. Number 2. Blank is the hottest planet in our solar system. A. Mercury, B. Jupiter, C. Venus, D. Earth. Number 3. Neptune has blank moon. A. 12, B. 14, C. 27, D. 31. Number 4. The planets or planets with no moons is or are A. Venus and Mars, B. Mars and Neptune, C. Mercury and Mars, D. Mercury and Venus. Which of this is the oldest planet in our solar system? A. Uranus, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. And this is the true or false. Number 1. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system with a diameter of 3,000 kilometers. True or false? Number 2. Jupiter is the 57 million kilometer from the Sun. True or false? Number 3. The Moon is an example of a natural satellite. True or false? Number 4. Venus faces the Sun and has a very high temperature of 430 degrees Celsius. And number 5. The Earth has surrounded by a layer of gases known as the atmosphere. True or false? Okay, this is the answer. Okay, class, thank you for listening in my discussion and my activity for today. Thank you. Please submit your answer and your score in Google Classroom. Bye-bye. See you next week.